In this video, I'll walk you through how to verify a DocuSign signature step by step. If you've ever received an electronic agreement and wondered, is this really authentic? This guide will give you the clarity and peace of mind you need. And before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. First things first, log into your DocuSign account. Think of this as your digital office. It's where all your documents and activities are safely stored. You can access it from your computer or even your phone browser. Once inside, head over to the agreement section. This works just like a filing cabinet where both your completed and ongoing agreements live. Scroll through your list, or if you have lots of documents, use the search bar to find the exact one you want to verify. When you spot the correct document, click on its name to open the details page. Double check the title and metadata to be sure you're working with the right file, especially if you manage multiple similar agreements. Now here comes the key step. Look for the download options. Instead of just downloading the contract itself, you'll want to select the certificate of completion. This is the file that holds all the crucial information: timestamps, signer details, and a digital audit trail proving when and by whom it was signed. Download this certificate as a PDF and save it safely. This document is your proof of authenticity. It protects both parties in the agreement and ensures the signature is legally binding. And that's it. You've now successfully verified a DocuSign signature. Simple, secure, and reliable. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials that make digital tools easy.